Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Today is Thursday, and the rain has been falling from Monday because we're having a storm. So I'm not even outside or playing any tennis, and that makes me sad because I'm not getting a chance to exercise. But yeah, I've done a little exercise. But yeah, enough of me and what I've been up to. But I'm going to be as random as can be with this one because honestly, I'm feeling lazy, like really lazy, even to make a video. But I'm just going to make a video. Like I have a lot of stuff I can talk about you guys, but I'm just in that mood where I'm just like, I don't feel like doing anything at all. But yeah, let me get into it. Have you ever sit down and thought about where we come from? Us humans being where we come from. You know, there's probably half the world that's religious and half the world that's not. You have a lot of people that are not religious. They, believe in other stuff apart. They believe in science, and some people in science, some people believe in religion. Let's put it in two groups. Now, being that I am partly religious, I do believe in science and I do believe in religion, God, all those stuff. But have you ever sit down and thought about like where God come from, like question yourself and think about it? And the more you think, the more you dive deeper down and in your thoughts and think about stuff, the like you get blank. Like there's this block in your mind, your mental capacity. It is blocked for some weird reason. Whenever you do some deep thinking and you think deep down and you try to reason out stuff with yourself, there's like this total mental block. Like it's like you can't go any further than the point you are at, and I find it weird in a sense because our mind is so powerful. We can think about stuff, we can be creative, but when it comes on to God and thinking about him and the creation of world, like before there were people or before stuff like where, like, sometimes you can't ask the questions because it's like your mind doesn't allow you to ask. It's very weird, but yes. So have you ever had that experience where you do some deep thinking and you get lost? You like your chain of thoughts, you lost everything, and there's just this mental block. Yeah, so that's for that question. No, me personally, I also believe in science, and I believe that we're not alone in this universe. If you really think about it, the universe is so big. There's galaxies, millions and billions and trillions of stars and different planets, and they're discovering stuff. I believe that we're not alone. I believe that we've been visited many times, day by day. All that stuff, we just can't see them with our naked eyes. You need devices, ultraviolet light, stuff like that, and the list goes on and on. But I believe that the world is so big that we cannot be alone on Earth, and it always fascinates me when they do documentaries about space. When they do documentaries about other planets and stuff, it entices me. It exploration. I love exploration. Looking at the stars, they're so beautiful, and looking at us, planet Earth, and where we are, and there's so many billions of stars out there, and I kind of like those stuff, and it's soothing to an extent. I remember when I was younger, I used to sit down with my friends and I used to look up in the sky at night, and it was beautiful. I used to look for shooting star and stuff like that. Um, do you enjoy those stuff? Do you like that? Do you like that side of life? Do you like, you know, exploration? Do you like the stars? Do you like the galaxy? Do you find interest in those? Or are you just a religious person? You keep it to earth. You don't want to figure out what's out there in the world. So let me know in the comments below. I know this topic isn't interesting at all, but I'm just giving you guys something because again I'm feeling lazy, and I just want to give you guys something to talk about and just enjoy. So it's JVLOGS again, Mark Plunkett. Hope you like this boring topic. If so, subscribe below anyway. If not, give a thumbs up. Yes. So enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and tune in tomorrow for more interesting topics. yes, that's about it. I'm going to go now. Ladies, man, them big up on yourself, fist bump. Ladies, me are going to a big hug and some kiss, but yeah. Oh God, later.
Yeah, no, no.